Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about a topic that we all are so obsessed about. That is glowing skin. Do you admire someone with a flawless skin and always wish that only if I had the similar glow? Well, I always do. But achieving that glow is not just a matter of genetics. It's a lot of dedication and self-care that goes behind that. So friends, grab your snacks, sit back and relax because we are about to make glowing skin as easy as eating a cake. So let's talk about the top 5 natural packs all from your kitchen which are simple to make and yet the most effective ones. But a warning before we begin. Using these skincare tips may have potential side effects which may include glowing like a supernova. Number 1 on our list is aloe vera and honey mask. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help improve our skin's texture. Honey, on the other hand, is antibacterial and is a power ingredient for our skin. The power of using honey in our skincare routine is far more than we can imagine. This DIY homemade face pack combo is a wonder treatment for soothing our skin, providing the desired moisture and treating acne. To prepare this pack, we just need 2 ingredients. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of honey. Take a small bowl, mix the fresh aloe vera gel with raw honey until you get a smooth consistency. Cleanse your face thoroughly before applying this pack and pat it dry with a clean towel. Apply the aloe vera and honey mixture evenly to your face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and witness the glowing skin. Number 2 on our list is gram flour or basin mask. Using gram flour in our skincare routine is an age-old remedy that has proved to work wonders for spotless and glowing skin. Gram flour acts as a natural exfoliant. It removes dead cells and unclogs pores, which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. A face pack which is infused with gram flour is one of the most effective natural remedies to get rid of the oily skin and achieve a soft, smooth texture. To prepare this face pack, all we need is 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of milk cream and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all the 3 ingredients together to form a smooth paste. You can add some water to make the consistency better. Apply this mixture evenly on your face and neck and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off with cool water and witness the magical glow. Third on the list is yogurt and honey mask. Yogurt is an excellent ingredient to moisturize our skin. It helps fight acne, reduce discoloration and prevent premature aging. Honey, as we already saw, locks in moisture and leaves our skin soft and glowing. To prepare this mixture, all we need is 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey, which is easily available in our kitchen. Take a bowl and mix the yogurt and honey together until they are well combined. Cleanse your face thoroughly and apply the mixture on your face and neck. Let the face pack rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and then you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 4 is banana and honey face pack. Bananas work wonders when it comes to a healthy and glowing skin. As they are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, they moisturize the skin, thus leaving it with a radiant glow. This quick and easy face pack is sure to give your skin the supernova glow. To prepare this pack, all you need is 1 ripe banana and 1 tablespoon of honey. Peel the ripe banana and mash it thoroughly until it becomes a smooth paste. You can alternatively use a mixer grinder. Add a tablespoon of honey to the mashed banana and mix them together until the ingredients are well combined. Apply this mixture evenly on a clean face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the face pack with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry with a towel. Fifth on our list is papaya face pack. A papaya face pack is a fantastic natural remedy for achieving glowing skin. Papayas contain natural enzymes called papain that exfoliate the dead skin cells and reveal a brighter and more radiant complexion. To prepare this face pack, all you need is 1 or 2 slices of ripe papaya and a tablespoon of honey. Peel and remove the seeds from the ripe papaya, then mash it thoroughly to create a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mashed papaya and mix them until they are well combined. Cleanse your face thoroughly and apply the mixture evenly to your face and neck. Sit back and relax for the next 15 to 20 minutes and let the face pack work wonders. Rinse off the pack with lukewarm water and notice the shiny glow. For best results, try applying these packs 2 to 3 times a week and notice the glow on your skin. Also, if you have a sensitive skin, make sure that you do a patch test before applying the pack to your entire face. Remember, if you want to achieve a radiant glow, consistency is the key. So make sure that you use this face pack as a regular part of your skincare routine. I hope you liked the video. Take a moment to comment below and share one skincare tip that you are excited to incorporate in your skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.